When Jesus Christ died, they bury him, he enter ground. He no just enter ground because of saying die, you know. Now also be part of Baba God plan. As Jesus Christ enter ground, so before he rise on that third day, he commotes power from Satan hand. Bible talk say he spoil principalities and powers, and this na to show you say devil no get any power. He no sabi create anything at all. The only power wey devil get na fear. Remember wetin Job talk? Job talk say the thing wey I fear pass don happen to me. Na your fear dey give devil format to attack you. As you dey shake, as you dey tremble, him dey notice am, and na the weapons wey you dey give am. So wetin you go do? Kill that fear. No give devil any clue at all for your life. Make I tell you, fear and faith no dey live inside the same heart. So choose one and make sure say na faith. Make sure say na faith.